Hi, I am Dr. Narendra. I am Associate Director in Hepatology Department. Today I will discuss about fatty liver disease. In most of the patients, it is non-alcoholic fatty liver disease that happens without significant alcohol intake. Nowadays, it is called metabolic dysfunction associated steatotic liver disease, that is MASLD, because generally it is associated with metabolic risk factors and cardiac disease. It is a silent health epidemic everywhere. It is the most common liver disease and the most common cause of patients undergoing liver transplantation. It remains silent until there is significant liver damage. Approximately 40% of Indians are suffering from fatty liver disease. Why it is important? It can cause liver damage and cirrhosis. That doesn't happen to everyone. Approximately 10% of patients will develop cirrhosis in future. It is also associated with kidney problems, heart problems, diabetes, hypertension, obstructive sleep apnea, and certain cancers. So effects of fatty liver are not only limited to liver. It goes beyond liver to other organ systems also. Medications are not required for everyone, but lifestyle modification, diet modification, exercise, and weight loss are recommended for everyone. Medications for fatty liver are recommended for patients with fibrosis. Fibroscan is very helpful to know that there is fibrosis or no fibrosis. Fibroscan is not required for everyone. We select that this patient should go for a fibroscan examination. Management of fatty liver is multidisciplinary. Several other specialties are also involved, like diabetes doctors, cardiology, and bariatric surgeons, dietitian. All these are involved in care of a patient with fatty liver. If we diagnose it timely, it can be reversed to a healthy liver completely. If we diagnose it late, then cirrhosis is not recoverable, but still it can be stabilized by medications. If we diagnose fatty liver at a stage of decompensated cirrhosis or liver cancer, then liver transplantation is required.